Good morning, everybody. Lindsay Duff here. It is Thursday, October 31st. Boom! Did I scare you? Today, I just got back from my networking meeting, which is great. Man, this market moved a lot yesterday. And so I'm a little jacked up on coffee, so I'm going to have to be extremely careful that I don't make decisions because I do have a lot of things going right now. Turning this phone. Oh, hold on. Yeah, turning this phone off. I was just checking everything before I did. Power off. Boom. Done. Man, it's looking crazy. Let's go check it out. Hold on, Duchess. Okay. Let's pull up that daily chart first. And right now, I have it set up to the last way I left it. Man, hard push up, pulling back. I wonder if this is going for a long haul to the upside. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look over the 10946, which had a huge move to the upside. I mean, they all had the same move, right? But this one looks a little bit more structured, I guess you could say. Had a giant move to the upside, did a little bit maybe of a head and shoulders here. I think we may see it pull back again in here, push down again, and then maybe push up. Maybe just watching this pull down. I saw this pull down just a little bit lower, but it can barely breach that last low area, double bars. And really the highest I'm looking for it to go is right up into here at this moment. All right, it might just give us a deeper pullback than I had anticipated, yeah? Pull down to that last area. Look how hard this bar pulled back and no reaction so far in the MACD here. This is why I'm anticipating it to push up now. I did not wait for the strong pullback that I knew we were going to require for this to happen. Oh, there we go. Put that to a break even. This is not showing a strong move to the upside just yet after the strength we had to the downside. So this could definitely give us a turnaround here. We're going to set that right there. If it comes down further than here, yeah, I don't want to be anymore because especially with the way these are starting to pull down. Okay, let's see if this little reversal bar pulling back here does it. Takes us down a little further. See this potential to pull back just a little bit further. Yeah. All right, we still have strength here, but we are below that area that usually gives us a pushback. We had a slowdown in the MACDs here. The MACDs on my 610 are turning that bright green. We're at areas just below that last area that can give us a push down. So I'm using the context clues as to what I anticipate to happen. Watching it right here as these are still turned to the upside. This will probably pull up just a little bit higher. Seeing this little bit higher pivot right in here, so maybe seeing this push up just a little bit more, maybe not. There we go, right above this last little pivot, the hook here and push down. Maybe getting ahead of myself. Ooh, it's trying to hook and go to the upside here. Okay, that's where it should have been in the first place, back above that area. There's just so many great signs that this is going down. I'm just having a patience problem. Okay, here we go. Here's the pop. Pull back, pop down. Now I'm going to pull these off. And now we're going to let it ride. Oh, God. Mindset was a struggle today. here. Go ahead and take this one out. Oh, there we go. I was going to say with a little potential to pull back there, but it's going to keep going. Y'all, this was almost a disastrous day for me. It has definitely picked up just a bit. And this will most definitely be my last trade of the day. Go ahead and take that one out there. Let's reach this area, past it just a little bit. Potential for a reversal bar here. Okay. Okay, looks like it's going to come back and touch that. There we go. Pretty strong touch though. All right, that is going to wrap it up for me. I was a little stressed out today. Let's see how we did. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. Wow. So I never had 3 losing trades in a row, but I did have 3 losing trades. And I sat at break even a couple of times today. Sat a little below, sat at break even, and pulled it out. All right, let's go ahead and mark these up and call this a day. So that would be 8 trades, 3 losses, 5 wins, plus 18.75. Well, we're going to call that a day. It does look like it's trying to keep going down. Today was a little bit of a lack of patience. My bad. It happens. If you like to see a person struggle, watch the first part of my video because it was a struggle. I could see the reasons to wait. I just wasn't allowing myself to. I even talked about, look, I'm waiting for this particular pullback, and I just went with, I guess, an inferior entry instead of waiting for my real signals. So, lesson learned. Every day there's new lessons. I mean, for myself, just learning about myself. I think that's part of the biggest thing with trading is that you have to learn about yourself. If you don't take the time to learn about yourself and what you're willing to grow and learn every day. All right, guys, that is gonna be it. We're gonna wrap it up. I've got so much to do, and I have just as much time in a day to do it as the next person. It's just a matter if I dilly-dally around or if I jump up on that horse and get on moving. So, yeehaw, people. Oh, Lord. Sometimes I embarrass myself. All right, everybody have a wonderful Thursday. I hope everybody stays safe for Halloween and have fun trick-or-treating with your kids. And look forward to catching you on the profitable side.